Right, so we're given 1, 2, 3 brackets multiplied together. Normally we only see 2. And we're asked to show that it can be written in the form ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d, where a, b, c and d are all positive integers. What does that word integers mean? Well, just remember that it means whole numbers. Okay, so how do we go about this? Well, let's just sort of follow our nose a little bit. Let's write down the thing we're trying to do. So we've got x plus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. Well, what we can do, and what we do know how to do, is to multiply out 2 brackets. So let's do that. Okay, and just leave the other one alone for a minute. So we get x plus 1 times, well, how am I going to multiply out those 2 brackets? I don't know what your favourite method is, but my favourite method is to use FOIL, the acronym FOIL, where that stands for first, outer, inner, last. And it works like this. So we look at the first one in each bracket, that's x times x, which is x squared. We look at the outer pair of terms, so that's x times plus 3, which is plus 3x. We look at the inner pair, which is 2 times x, so plus 2x. And we look at the last term in each bracket, 2 times 3, which is 6. Let's just simplify that a little bit. Okay, and we get, well, there's only 1x squared, so that's that. And 3x plus 2x is 5x. So let's simplify the 3x plus the 2x. And then there's just a plus 6 on the end. Now, how are we going to deal with multiplying out these 2 brackets? Well, let's go back to sort of first principles and take everything in the first bracket and multiply it by everything in the second bracket. So the x gets multiplied by the x squared, and then by the 5x, and then by the 6x. And then the 1 gets multiplied by the x squared, and by the 5x, and by the 6x. And we have multiplied everything in the first bracket by everything in the second bracket. Or, well, we haven't yet, but we're about to. So x times x squared is x cubed. X times the 5x is 5x squared. X times the 6 is 6x. And then we do 1 times everything, and that's really quite easy. 1 times x squared is x squared. 1 times 5x is 5x. And 1 times 6 is 6. And then we simply lump everything together. How many x cubeds are there? Well, just that one there. So we start with an x cubed. And then how many x squareds are there? Well, there's 5 of them there and another one there, which makes 6x squared. And then we need to look for the x terms. Well, there's a 6x there and a 5x there, and together they make 11x. And then there would appear to be just one number term. There it is, the plus 6 on the end. And we have written it in the form that we've been asked for. Ax squared plus ax cubed plus bx squared plus cx plus d. And there we go. That is all we need to do.